What really matters for today, this is Rodney. In Matthew 13, all these things spake Jesus in parables to the multitudes. And without a parable spake he not to them, that it might be fulfilled which was spoken by the prophet, saying, I will open my mouth in parables, I will utter things which have been kept secret from the foundation of the world. Jesus told many truths while alive. We can see that as we read through the gospel accounts. Jesus rarely began with scripture when he was among the common people. Most of the time he told stories about everyday life in order to teach a message and to keep their attention. Perhaps you've been sharing scripture with someone and the message just ain't getting through to them. Each person is different. Maybe try a different method or means to reach them. And the truth is what should always matter in every minute of every day from your friends at the Leoma Church of Christ.